For changing the oil in the 2022, start by popping the hood, of course. The first thing you need to do is remove this panel here, and it just pulls straight out. Idle the car for a few minutes to get the oil more viscous so that it will flow better out of the oil pan. After that, to locate the oil filter, we need to remove the air induction hose up here with this clip, and then also this cable here with a 10mm nut. Tuck that out of the way. Set that aside for safekeeping. Next, you should have a trusty pick and hook set like this. I'll put an affiliate link to buy one in the description. And that is so that you can use this hook here to lift these two retainer clips. So it's very hard to film, but I have wrapped the hook around it. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. And then you just pull up. I already dropped this down in the engine bay and had to use this to take it out. So maybe put a piece of string around this in case you're going to drop it. Okay, there is the first one up, and then the second one below it. I just want you to see that's what they both look like out. You can barely see it. And then now this hose will pull out. And that gets out of the way so that you can access your oil filter right there. And that is a 27mm. Fresh from Amazon, we have the replacement filter. I will put an affiliate link in the description to buy this, and as well this special 27-inch oil filter remover. It wasn't long enough, so I added an extension piece. You're gonna pull the tube out of the way so you can get at it. Put the car up on some ramps. You're going to need 7.5 quarts of European formula mobil oil. Chalk the tires so the car can't roll back. Put it in park and parking brake. Invest in a good oil drain container. Now take the filter out, get it in a bag because it's going to get oil everywhere. Now onto the O-rings. So here's the new O-rings that come with the brand new filter, and those are just going to, those two old ones come off, use your hook again, and then now you're going to put the new rings back on. Make sure that you have them in the exact grooves that I'm going to show in this video. A lot of people accidentally put them in the threads. When you put the new filter in, you have to find this port and make sure that it goes in this groove here. Snap the filter into the canister. Remove this panel under the car to get access to the 17mm oil drain nut. Take the new crush washer out of the bag from the oil filter and add it to the oil drain plug, like that. Put that back on after all the oil has drained back out. Tighten it back up, but don't over torque it, and then add that panel back. Now using a funnel, you can go ahead and remove the oil cap to the engine and begin adding the oil. Now put the manifold shield back on. Next, you will reconnect this hose and the clips will snap back in. Put the 10mm cable back on, and then take the air induction hose and put that back on. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.